Alright, go ahead.
Are you, what are you doing?
So, Lisa's having a heart attack at Starbucks.
He said he loves me too.
What was that?
He says he loves me too. Oh my god. I pee my pants. Sorry, sorry.
Just drink your coffee and calm down. Why, are you gonna spit it everywhere? This is perfect in so many ways. I'm just gonna sit here and nonchalantly drink my coffee.